In this video, I explain about the difference between the notch and weir. So first we understand what is the purpose of notch and weir. So purpose of the notch and weir is same. Both is used to measure the flow rate of liquid. Okay, but location is different. So here in the notch, we mention that it is used for measuring the rate of flow of liquid through small channel or tank. Now here we see this is the one small channel. Okay, so this is one channel, and from this channel water is flowing, and here we install the rectangular notch. So notch have a various types. Okay, it may be rectangular, it have a V shape, or it may be trapezoidals or a step types. That is a four type of the notches is there according to the shape. Or it is also used in a tank. Okay, means both is used to measure the rate of flow of liquid, means it is only used for the liquid, and weir is used for measuring the flow rate of large body of water and controlling the water level in a river, canal and dams. Now here in this image we see it is a one canal is there. Okay, and from the canal the water is flowing, and here we install one rectangular notch. Install means it is made from the concrete or masonry structures, and the notches is made from the metallic materials. Means either we use the notch or weirs, the water is flowing over the notch, and just we need to measure the height of waters, and from this height we are able to find out the flow rate of liquid or flow rate of water. Now here I also clarified one points. Earlier we make certain videos about the certain videos about the venturi meters and orifice meters. So venturi and orifice is also used to measure the flow rate of fluid. Flow rate of fluid means it is used to measure the flow rate of liquid as well as the gases. So what is the difference between venturi, notch and orifice and weirs? So venturi and orifice is used in a pipe, but notches and weir is used for a open channels. Open channel means here we see this small channel, it is open from one side. Canal, river is also open from one side. So at that place, like as a small channel, tank or a river or canal, we are not able to use the venturi or orifice meters to measuring the flow rates. So these are the basic difference between these four components. Now second difference about the size. So notches is smaller in size and it is made of metals, and the weir is a large structure often made from the concrete or the masonry structures. So in a last image we already see that here the canal or river is already big constructions. Open channel or a tank, it is a small structures. Third difference about the location. So notches is located in a side of tank or a reservoirs, means it is located one side of the tank or a reservoirs, and weir is built across a river, canal or channels, means it is built across. So in this image we see that the weir is built across a river, canal or a dam. Fourth one is the material. Notches is generally made from the metallic plates, and the weir is made from the concrete or the machinery structures or materials. And the last difference about this discharge. So we know that the tank is the smaller in the size, so it have also the small discharge. So notches is used to measure the small discharge, and the weir is construct on a canal, rivers and dam. So we already know that at that places the discharge is very high. So weir is used to measure the larger distance, and these notches and weir have a different types of the shape. So generally I revise the four basic shapes, that is a triangular notch, So here its shape is the triangular. Here we can say it is triangular shape. This is the rectangular notch. This is the trapezoidal notch, and this is the different step is there. So it is called as the step notches. And in the weir, that is a three types are there. That is a triangular, rectangular, and trapezoidal notches. The notch and weir is also classified by some other parameters. So about this classification, I will make the separate videos about the classifications of the notches and weirs. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video of fluid mechanics as well as the other subject of mechanical engineering. For the fluid mechanics, various link is provided in descriptions. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist and don't forget to share with your friends.